Test this. Test this. It's good. Test this. It's good. So far we have 3 levels, 4 hour, daily level. We failed to close above the 4 hour once. Now we are rejecting it. Also the second week, 4 hour level. These accounts are the Lucid evals. I've been trading for the past month, I guess. So let's see the calendar. Here's a 10. Oh shit. Prisoner talking 1 p.m. In 15 minutes we had these two levels, we tested this level, we're falling back down to this guy, see if this guy is gonna support or we're gonna continue. So this is a daily. Daily we have been rejecting, but then we are gaining this level again. So continuing to this rising pattern, looks like rejecting from this 15 minutes and the 4-hour. Next level to break is this guy, and then the highs. So this could be a short. Basically getting rejected from this guy. It's pretty tricky because we can get rejected now back up from this, so we'll see if he'll. Okay, that was it. Recovered the losses from earlier today. So basically that was because we got rejected from this 1 hour, which is a trend to start. This could go back up from either this level or this level. That's been very dangerous, so there's no point in keeping it. We'll see if we can get, if we get rejected from this level up. Now, when the 1 hour or 15 minutes is just a big wick, it's a low probability situation. So we'll be rejecting from this level. It's too strong. This leg that we're going to use as a context. The few points, one is this guy, one is this area, which we're getting these reactions. Here we're getting this level that was important in 5 minutes. So I guess this time we're gonna go all the way up here if we are to break this range. The 15-minute candle is gonna close in 1 minute. So far you're closing above this 15 minutes. You have a few more levels to go. This has been tested, so the significance of this level is not that much. This has been tested. This guy now has been tested, so we could potentially just go up if we want to go up. If we close below this level, then we're probably going to go back down. So we closed above this guy, did not close above that guy. Maybe a test of one of these two levels and then we go up. So basically, so far we have tried to Hey man, forgot that I can talk to you, but I think there's like a 10-second delay or something. One way is Discord room. Okay. Yeah, we could do that. I mean, depends on if you want to, stay for a while or no. If you just want to, say hi and sign off, then I'll just keep going with this. And maybe we'll try it next time on a Discord one. But if you want to stay for the whole session, then we can just switch. Because I also want to record it, so I don't know if we can record it on the Discord as well or not. Now it just goes into my channel on YouTube, so yeah, get the coffee and the pills. Five minutes, we came back down here, tested this level, closed above this level, and just we went up to this level is tested, so there's not much of importance here. This level obviously is tested, so not much point taking care of taking a look at that one. This has been tested quite a bit of time, so this is going to be broken probably. This has been tested, so not much importance in here. This is now kind of tested, so we could just go. There's a bunch of levels over here. Come back down and stop me out, so that's possible. Okay, we took this guy. See if we can close above it. Loud. This fucking motors are loud. Speeding it a little bit over here in case we get rejected. I can enter again maybe. Looks like that was an immature break-even move. This reaction was to this guy possibly. And this was a failure, didn't close above, so this could come back down to maybe this level or some level. Although we closed above, so we can just test something and continue go higher. Let's say this is a test. So this is now the main level that could reject us one more time, but because we have been testing it, I don't think it's going to reject us. We're going to go to 423 probably. Probably to some level like here. Seem to get being rejected. From the 400 level. So let's see if we're gonna go back to this level again. Amen. So if we need to, so I guess we need to go close above this level at least. But now the second failure We need to close above this guy for 9. So another 5 seconds. See if we can, yeah. Ooh. Goes nuts. Oh, there's a... I forgot that there's a news basically. Yeah, looks. I forgot there's a news. So lucky I didn't get stopped out. I'll just let it run. See if it goes and does not stop me, or if it does stop me. Totally forget about that one. So the daily level is now rejecting us, basically, which is a strong level. And we're probably going to come back down to this level. You'll need to add the audio channel in OBS. I had this over here and I forgot about it. Okay, now testing this area. See if we bounce back now. Yeah, we do it next stream. Okay. would be fun to just talk. So I just thought I just record these sessions on OBS, and then maybe that allows me later on to go back and review them. Because we want to step towards that journaling thing that we talked about. Okay, so we closed below this guy. Yeah, man, Trump speaks at 1 o'clock. He probably wants to say that he negotiated successfully and now Iranians have given up and they have surrendered, probably. And then 2 minutes later, Iran is going to come say, we never negotiated with nobody. So I'm just trying to trade these levels like level by level. That's all I'm trying to do, mostly the higher time frame levels. Everything is pretty much the same. These are all the same as ICT or the same as SMC or the same as any other garbage. It's just the same thing. So on a higher time frame, we have closed above the 4-hour, gained this level, and now we are struggling to close back below or test this level. We don't have much of a level here in 1 hour. We have something like this here. So I'm waiting for the 5-minute candle to close. If that shows an indication of a move up, then we're gonna go long. Nope. So I guess that was not a breakout. Okay, so it looks like we're just breaking down. That was a little bit of a mature move because I thought we closed above this level in 15 minutes. That's why I pushed the button. That was wrong. So I'm just going to get out with a little bit of a loss and then we reevaluate. What happened in 5 minutes? In 5 minutes we closed above this, we moved and then we get up. See if 15 minutes closes above this level. Check this level. We back tested this. The whole thing is bullish so far. Another 30 seconds to see if we close above this level also. The second test of this level, which is an important level. We cannot even close above that level. So we tested this level, we closed above this level. So we just go. This is one level that we need to break, but we should be able to break this level. So my stop loss is somewhere around here. So we want to go higher, we don't need to go back down here anymore. But it's pretty choppy in the range stuck. We'll see if we continue to go above this level or we're gonna lose this level and go lower, especially this guy. We should be able to go higher. Unless we are done and we just want to dump. So we'll see in the next 5 minutes, next 2 minutes. These levels are candle closes on the swing levels, just body levels, not the wicks, on the swing levels mostly. So wherever you have a swing, yeah, so whatever time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour. So you see on this level, for example, this was kind of like a swing, and then price goes back, and then when it comes back to it, you see some reaction on the first time. On this one, you get a reaction, pushes you up. You go to this level, you get some reaction, but now you just go back and forth on these levels, and then I mean, if there is not a consolidation and there is a trend, then you can start like going one after the other, and then you hit one level, you break above it, and then you expect some retracement back down to the previous level, not too deep, maybe the last 1 or 2 levels. But these are all exactly the same as order blocks or whatever anybody else uses on any other method. Same thing, really. All right, so what happened is now we broke above this level. We are attempting to break above the 1 hour level, but this level has already been broken, so there's not much of importance on this one, not even this guy. So the next level of importance is this guy in 5 minutes. But let's look at the yeah, but when there is a choppiness and there is no move, I don't think any of these methods really work. Like, you just get stopped out consistently. So I guess today is one of those days. Right, so now in 5 minutes, for example, we broke above this level. Either this level or this level, and then we're coming back to test maybe one of these 2 levels, and then hopefully we can go back up to next level of importance, which is this one. But then we are getting rejected from daily, so I don't know how long this long is gonna go. I'm just gonna go break even, or because this is pretty bad price action, so let's see. I don't want to lose much on this day, so you have a lag about 20 seconds. Next time I have to put the lag to maybe like, I mean, I have to put, there's a setting that you can set it to be like pretty instantaneous or something. Configure later from the stream setting on YouTube for max latency. Yeah, the minimum latency, not max latency. Yeah. So I mean, you can still go like this and then go up, which means 48. Yeah, I think this is 48. I can just put it on the 40. This is pretty immature to put it over there. So we are at this one level that I mentioned, right? This was one of the, basically the, ICT they call it like order block. It's just one level. So now we're in this order block of this past one, the last one, or this order block, which can still pushes up, down. I'm tilting, by the way, either losing the account or make. No, don't do this today. Wait for next day, man. Today is not a good day. You can see the price action. You will lose all the accounts because there is no movement. Anywhere you go, you get stopped out. Leave it for next day. I'm only using one micro. Like, I can lose only like 20, 40, $50, and I'm still so protective of this position because today is not a good day. This trade is gonna cost me $40 at most I'm up $2,000 on this account. You see? Yeah, I guess we're gonna go back up now. We kind of close above that level. We're gonna go up to here for 11. Maybe not. So we can test this area now. So on a normal day, I would go long one more contract here, but not today. This can just dump. So if this level is now lost, next one is gonna be 319, so I'm gonna be stopped out regardless. Yeah, no reason to lose all the accounts on a day like this, man. It's just shitty price action. Yeah, so if we came back down here, tested this 4-hour and the 5-minute level, basically this 5-minute level. If we want to go up, we can go up now. So we should not go below 48. If we go below 48, we're gonna go below here. So now we should close above this area, or we're gonna dump again. It is pretty bad. I'm just gonna get out. So this is how much I'm losing today, $12 so far. Are you being facetious, or you really mean it when you say, yeah, amazing? I have a feeling you're trying to be an ass. Yeah, all one micro. Very rarely 2 micros, mostly 1 micro. 1 month so far. It went up to 52, 350, but then I gave some of it back. Okay, you meant it. Thank you, buddy. As I always tell you, I love you. In a good way. Yeah, I never went above. I don't think I ever opened 2 micros. More than 2 micros. It was either 1 micro or second micro after that one went to profit. Which is pretty amazing, you know, $2,000 in about a month with 1 or 2 micro. That means same process, if it can be repeatable, and with one mini would be $20,000. Copy it over like 5 account. That's pretty crazy. But whether you can repeat this process, maybe I was just lucky. I don't know. But this really happens as I change the strategy or the process to this way of looking at these levels. Before I was just losing, and everybody I know on ICT are losing. So even this one worked, right? Like even this one worked. I was just not in the mood to lose more than what I'm losing today. Or it is still in the works, but it looks like it is gonna work. But it's pretty shitty price action regardless. One issue I have is because I don't like to see losing, I keep bringing my stop loss very quickly to break even, which is one of the weaknesses I have. So now we are struggling, and but we are trying to make it above the previous high, right? So basically, the idea as always is when you are going higher, if you're supposed to go higher, you have to take out previous highs, make new highs. If you keep trying and make lower highs, then you know, then that means the long positions are in danger. So this is pretty bad now. But the problem is it is not taking the high, but it is also failing to take the important level. So you're kind of like stuck in this little range. And then after 1 hour, it just makes one large move up, and then the same thing starts. So you cannot be part of it. When you are part of it, you are in the chop. That's a problem in days like this. Mm.
Oh yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
Let me see if I can add another source here and capture that. So that would be audio input capture, or what capture? Media source maybe.
No,
Audio.
it's for local videos on your PC.
Okay, so audio capture, and then now we're gonna go.
Yeah.
No, but it doesn't allow me to get the input from Discord. It just allows me either microphone array or desktop microphone. So let's try the other one.
There is an application audio, I think.
Remove. No. So let's try. Which one was it? I have done it once before. Application audio capture. Yes, you're right. Okay. And then Microsoft Edge. No. Tell me Discord. Here we go. Okay. Okay, now you should probably be part of this.
Let me check.
Yeah. Now you should be able to. Now how can I? Okay, now maybe I should.
Wait.
Okay. Let me get my headphone.
Yeah, it's working.
Just 1 second. Audio device should connect headphone. Thanks. Okay, let's see if that's is working or no.
Now my audio is working, so I
But
don't know what are you doing.
just give me a second. Oh, I need to change the setting on the Discord because now I still hear your voice from the speakers. Now, okay, here we go. This guy using Windows microphone. Yeah, this guy. Now it should be okay. Okay, now I don't. Now it should be working. Now. So can you hear your voice on the stream now?
Yeah, I played.
No, because I
like
changed
I
something
rewinded the
before.
stream.
Maybe you were just listening to the reflection of your own voice coming from Discord into my microphone, right? But now there is nothing coming.
Let me check.
Yeah, if you don't mind. I can also check, by the way.
Yeah, I checked it's working, but my voice was very loud, so now I lower it a bit.
Let me check it on my side also.
I checked it's working.
Yeah,
but,
it's good.
My voice.
Okay, so the capture is working. Perfect.
Yeah, maybe you can lower my voice from the OBS settings.
You want me to do that, or you will? Okay, so I'll do that.
I already did it from my end.
It's not. Okay, so are you still testing it? So now I'll reduce it a little bit. See what happens. Oh, not this guy. Fuck. Application. This guy. Okay, I reduced it a little bit. I don't know if that's good now or not.
I think we are good now.
Okay, man.
My
Application. This guy. Okay, I reduced it a little bit. I don't know if that's good now or not.
I think yeah, it's good. I now I muted the YouTube. So I will listen only to you from here on Discord.
I see. Okay. Yeah. Did you take more trades, or you close the charts?
No, I did not close the charts.
Oh, okay, so disaster is expanding, huh?
Yeah, we are on the way.
Yep.
We need to go lower. I'm short.
Yeah, I mean, anything could work today because it's just choppy. So
it's a random day.
Yeah.
And because Trump is speaking at 1, so even on normal days, the markets might consolidate before he speaks.
Yeah. Exactly, and man, I hate when this guy talks. I usually hate when he says anything. I mean, just a bunch of bullshit, and people react to his bullshit.
I think now the whole world hates when he speaks.
Yeah. It's very dangerous when you say stuff that are not reflecting reality, and you are like the head of a biggest military. It's very dangerous.
Yeah.
It might work for the real estate maybe, but it's very dangerous. Hopefully it all resolves soon. Yeah, so
what did you eat today?
What did I eat? I don't remember. What did I eat? Oh, today I just had a breakfast. I just had some simple breakfast so far. Nothing more. No food, just a little breakfast. Bread and cheese, and that's it. Coffee. So you see here, on the well, we have a lag. So on 24th, oh, you're now making some money. Okay, so on the 390, you were trying to gain that high, basically going higher, but it couldn't, so it failed, right? And now see what has happened. It completely melted down.
So this line on the M15, if I went to the 15 minutes, I will find a swing high there, and this line on the close, because it seems this line is not on the close.
Well, two levels I pay attention to. One is the close, but I mostly draw only the close ones, the ones on the close, but also the peaks and troughs when we want to go higher, right? So I was going to go long. So when you're going to go long, then you want to take out the previous high. So I just put that little 15 minutes line at the top, but usually I put it on the body. Right, so failure to close above the previous high or the body of the previous construct is sign of weakness.
US officials, Iran sent on Monday a 10-point response for the proposal to end war. 10:44 just now.
Yeah, I think they did that through Pakistan.
Iran demands also include reconstruction and lifting of sanctions. At 10:38, there was something. Iran rejects a ceasefire in reply to the US via Pakistan.
Okay, so they rejected it. So that's the same thing that now you're telling me that they rejected it. Yeah, so
That's why the market started to go down.
to melt. Yeah, let's look at the oil. See what oil is doing. Okay, oil is now going up, which is why the market started to dump.
It's not going up?
It is going up. Well, it was going up. So,
Oh,
but
okay.
it's not going up viciously. It's still below 115. But it went and touched the 115. It was 110, right? Now it's hovering around 110. Everything is frozen. The gold is not moving. So we'll see now basically what happened. What happened in this chart. We had one swing high, we melted down, we revisited the starting point of the move up, but we could not close below the previous low, so we went up one more time, took the previous high. Now we're melting down to the starting of that last leg up. Now we'll see if it completely break down or whether this was just a correction, deep correction, and going up again. What doesn't look
I
like it's
think now,
I think we're gonna go down.
I think now the technicals are not important. It's more about the news.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know. So these are the areas that we keep getting rejected, right?
Tomorrow, what time Trump will, this 48 hours, what time it
Yeah,
will end?
8 p.m. Eastern time, I think.
Ah, okay. After market closes.
I think so.
Or during Asia.
Yeah.
Yeah, I closed the trades.
Good. Did you recover something?
Yeah, I recover a bit. Maybe like, where are we sending screenshots? I forgot, on Telegram or where? Yeah,
No, we were
a lot,
no
a lot of windows are open.
no. Let's yeah, Telegram. Yeah. Okay. Good. See, the dangerous part of going short is going short like right now, right now, right? Because you see a big move and then you think like, this is going to continue. And then it just goes back up to the starting of this leg down and then dumps. So it stops us out and then it dumps.
My target was around that swing low at 245,
Pretty good, yeah.
but I closed it before. I thought, okay, better.
Yeah, more or less there.
And it's luck, you know, because of those news.
Yeah, but you saw you had indications there, right? Like in 390, failure to take out that 390 was an indication. Like the equal highs that it created up there. But you're right. Like the reason that all of this stuff happened is because of the news. Now you're right. Yeah.
Diana is here,
Oh, okay. You want to go?
but not in the kitchen. Now she started to speak more, you know, learning a lot of
Okay.
words. And yesterday she was at me, I was at their place,
Yeah.
and she was telling me, go home, go home.
Okay. She feels danger.
Yeah, and I don't know, she was really in bad mood yesterday and mad at me.
Yes.
And when I tried to kiss her, she ran away, started to cry. No, don't kiss me. Don't.
So that attitude runs in the family. It's not only you.
And it's funny, like now she knows many words.
Okay. Yeah. Now she can literally like defend herself and take care of you. And don't and she won't allow you to abuse her anymore. It's pretty funny.
It's me. She's crying. Let me check on her for a minute. I'll mute my mic, okay?
Okay. Okay, so the 5 minute closed back up above. Probably that means we're gonna go high a little bit. Did it close? Oh, fuck. It was did not close. Forgot. Mistake again.
Yeah, back.
Hey man, trying to figure out if this was a correct move or not correct.
Still long biased.
Well, I only go off of these levels, so just assuming the 15 minutes is not gonna close below this, but maybe that's not a good assumption. I was a little bit. I made a mistake. I thought the 15 minute just closed, but obviously not. Yeah, I'll close it. Do I close it? Yeah, I guess I should just leave it another 2 minutes, then decide. Because this is on 15 minutes, this is also a swing failure, right? This was a swing. If we want to go down, we're going to take out this level. We also closed above, so we have already started this leg up, up. So we still have no indication of this thing going lower, but we'll see. I think I'll just keep it. Pretty confusing.
Yeah, and it's Monday. Better not to risk it. And maybe, I don't know, at this time of war, maybe it's better to stick to London.
It's very difficult. It has a lot of difficulty to even close above its previous candle's high. So even if it goes up and then it gives all of it back, so that's the problem with this price action today. So I'm just gonna put in a break even and just that would be like a little taking chance whether it just goes. Okay, now it took the previous candle's high, but 2 more minutes to see if it can close above it or whether it just wicks and goes back down. Now next level to reject is 354. And it gives it all back.
I think even when you fix the latency issue, the lag will be go down to around like 5 seconds, 3 to 5
Okay.
seconds.
Now it is like 15 seconds. How long is it now?
I need to check 1 minute.
Yeah.
Can you go to the 1 minute chart on the 15 minute?
Yeah, I just did.
Okay. Okay, no, it's okay. Now, yeah, still around
10 seconds,
20. Yeah, 20 seconds,
huh?
18
Oh, 20
seconds.
seconds. Okay.
Yeah, you cannot adjust those settings while streaming.
No, has to be another time. Yeah, I don't think there is much.
Yeah, actually, it's 25 seconds.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm just wondering if there is any point in taking any more trades because.
No, I don't think so. And it's already 11, and that's when this guy
Yeah,
will
we
speak.
can do in PM.
PM?
We can do in the afternoon. Maybe I'll just start another stream around PM, around 1 PM time.
Around 1 he will speak.
Yeah.
Okay. Like you will watch till he ends.
Yeah, I mean, just open the charts and see what happens.
Okay,
this is pretty shit. But it is contained. I'm not losing much. Pretty much break even.
Yeah. And your streaming quality is pretty good.
Is it? Okay.
Like, yeah, it's 180 HD.
Okay.
And those windows are well organized.
Good. Okay, I guess we can just keep the setting the way that it is now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I will like when you are done, I will rewind it a bit.
Okay, so you want, so maybe we can just, I can just stop the stream, right? We can still talk because we're talking on Discord.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna go stop the stream now. How do I do that?
Yeah.
Yep, stop the stream. Okay.